Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a review on a Maybelline product. I'm really excited. It took me a minute to get this product because I first saw it on their Instagram and I was really excited about it because it's a brow product. So today I'm talking about the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Waterproof Eyebrow Gel. So the one that I have is the Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel from Maybelline, and I got it in the color Deep Brown. The product that I saw on their Instagram is it's the same like tattoo brow gel, but it's like a peel off, and I can't find it anywhere. So I went on their website. It's not on their website, and I think it's sold only in certain countries, but not here in the US. And this product took so long to be released here in the United States. Currently, I know they're selling it on Amazon, Ulta.com, and their website, which you probably have to go through another retailer to buy on Maybelline website. And I got mine from Target. I was really surprised that Target already had this because they don't even have none of the other newer Maybelline products that I was also looking for. So I bought mine from Target for $9.99. On their website is retailed for $12.99, and on Amazon I believe it was like $10.99, and I think it was like $11.99 on Ulta. So there's like different prices online. It comes in 4 different shades. So there's like a light, a medium, there's like a light brown, like a medium brown, there's a dark brown, and then there's a deep brown. And the one I got was deep brown because I like my eyebrows to be a little darker, but I totally forgot that I have blonde hair. So I did put a swatch on my hand about 20 minutes ago to see if you could peel this off. It's not really dry yet. It's still kind of tacky. When I touch it, it's still a little bit tacky. Maybe it was too thick, but I don't think you'll be able to peel this one off to get that nice stained look. Okay, so what it is, basically it's just a waterproof gel, and it's supposed to last for days. On the package, I think it says up to 2 days that this will last, and it's waterproof. Fill in the color of your eyebrows to look fuller. It's smudge proof. It does not transfer. It makes your eyebrows look 98% fuller and thicker. Yeah, so it's just easy to apply. Here is the actual product, and then inside the box you also get like a separate spoolie, but I'm going to use one that I already have. I'm going to try to do my brows like kind of how I normally do them, but just using this product. I have really thin eyebrows, so I'm really scared that this is going to make them look too full and too crazy. So let's just jump right in it. Okay guys, so I got you guys pretty close in to where you can see, you know, most of my face with my eyebrows. So you can see how thin my eyebrows really are. They're very thin, and they've always been like this. I even tried to let them grow out and nothing really happens. I just get hair all here and down here, but no fullness, just a lot of spaces in between my eyebrows. So that's why I like to really fill them in. So what I'm gonna do, this product comes with a little applicator here, and you're supposed to take this and fill in your brows, but I am terrified of doing that. I am going to use it on the ends and then use my thin angle brush to fill in the rest of my brows, and then we'll kind of clean them up like I do a concealer and see how they look. And I am going to do a 2-day wear test, so I'm going to come back at the end of the day and show you after I wash my face, and then I'm going to come back tomorrow and show you how they look, and we'll see if it lasts. I'm going to start with this brow because I always start with this one. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, the brush has little hairs or something, so it makes it easier to catch, and it smells really, it kind of smells like paint, but then it's not like a really bad smell. It smells pretty good. So I'm just brushing it. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, I should have definitely got the lighter shade. It's really not bad though. Okay, so here's where I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna take my angle brush, put some on there from this brush, and just go and define, too much. Define my brows a lot more. Oh gosh, this is very dark. Now I'm gonna take my spoolie and kind of brush it in before it dries. Maybe that'll help with the thickness. And this product is not super thick. It's a very good consistency. It's not like real thick to where it's like it sticks to there. It gives you something to work with a little bit before it dries up. But this is actually not bad. Okay, Maybelline. Sorry if you guys, I'm trying to like look and make sure I'm in focus. There you go. Oh my god, this is actually way faster than how I normally do my brows. Okay, here's the difference. The Maybelline brow and obviously my jacked up regular eyebrow. But this looks really, really good. Can you guys see how nice that looks? And oh, it is starting to dry a little bit. So it does dry a little faster when you don't put just a blob on your hand. And I guess it'll kind of hold those hairs in place. I just want to know if this is going to last for 2 days, because your girl be walking around like this every day when I don't wear makeup. And it would be nice to have a little definition in the brow, even if some of this kind of washed away, but it left the eyebrow looking a little full. I would like that. So let's do this one. This is always the harder one to do. That's why I like to do this one first. So let's see if Maybelline can deal with the hard eyebrow. Okay, I love this. I didn't think I was gonna like this as much. I thought maybe it was gonna be like really thick and annoying and just hard to work with, but honestly this is really nice. And because the brush has like these small little bristles on there, I have to show you guys. I don't know if you guys saw it earlier, but it has those small little bristles on the brush, and those bristles kind of catch the hair only, not the skin but the hair, and it just makes it just coats the hair. So it was harder to get my eyebrow to look like this one, because this one is obviously thinner and like shaped than this one, so there wasn't a lot of hair at the top to grip, so I had to really fill it in to make it look more like this one. But that's where this came in handy. But it really grabbed the hair nicely without over gelling it, and it looks really good. I am going to still use concealer because I need to get my eyebrows waxed or something, so I have a little bit of hair showing. But all in all, I'm liking this. So I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my eyebrows. I'm gonna finish my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and just finish up my thoughts right now on the product. And then I'll come back later today and show you guys how it looked once I wash my face, to see if it actually stayed on. And then if it did stay on, then I'm gonna come back tomorrow and show you guys. So I'm gonna finish my makeup and then I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the final look I did with my eyebrows. The eyebrows look amazing. Like when I did the rest of my makeup, this makeup look will be posted probably Monday, so it'll be after this eyebrow look. So if you want to check that out, you can definitely check it out. It will be up on Monday, I believe, so you can see how I got this final look. But the eyebrows though, like, so normally when I used to use the NYX brow gel. I really love it. I just ran out, so I've been getting really lazy with my brows. So for the past couple of weeks, I've been using the Maybelline Brow Precise. And let's be honest, Maybelline is coming for you guys. All the companies who have really nice brow products, Maybelline is coming for you guys. They have so many different brow products. They have other stuff that I really want to get that's for the brows. But I've been using the Brow Precise. It's okay. It's not the best eyebrow pencil, let's be honest. It's not as soft and smooth as I would like it to be. But I've been using this to outline my brows. And then I use a powder to fill in my brows, and I still get the same effect that I normally get from the brow gel. It's just that the brow gel from NYX lasts a long time. But normally when I do my brows with the pencil and the powder and I put all my foundation powders over it, it gets a little ashy looking because obviously powder went on top of it. So then I have to go back a little bit and define my brow a little bit more. But with this stuff, the powders just didn't even like affect the brow. The only thing I would say, it was, as far as my application, the way I put it on, I should have really caught the tail a little bit more, because I did notice that when I was doing the powders, it took the tail away. So maybe when I wash my face, the tail part of my brow probably will wash off. But all in all, it dried really nicely. My hairs are nice in place. No issues. We'll see how it is at the end of the day when I wash my face. So we'll see how it is at the end of the day when I wash my face. I will be back later tonight. I don't know how late, but I am going to wash my face and everything, and even do a mask and stuff, and I'm gonna see how it looks after, you know, I wash my face, and then I'll come back tomorrow morning and show you guys. So this video will be a 2-day thing, but I'm hoping it stays on because I really love how my brows came out today. So I hope you guys like it too. So I'll be right back tonight and I'll show you guys what it looks like then. Okay guys, so it is about 4 something. I've been wearing it for about 6 hours, the eyebrow stuff, and I was taking off my makeup and I decided to go ahead and film me removing it just in case if this comes off, and I don't want anyone to say that I did something to make it come off. So I'm using one of my Neutrogena makeup wipes. Is what I always use to remove my makeup. I'm just going around the eyes first because I'm so scared that it's going to come off. And I don't know, it didn't say, it says waterproof, but I guess it's not. Oh, so it says avoid using oil base or makeup removers on the brow. Avoid scrubbing and exfoliating. So this is probably going to make this come off. So I didn't read the box all the way. So yeah. For my eyes, I use my simple makeup remover eye pads for my eye makeup. So I'm just going to do that for my eye makeup. I don't know, I guess I can just wash my face normally. Yeah, I just took some off a little bit at the top, so I'm gonna just wash my face normal and then come back and show you guys how it's looking once I wash my face without using a makeup wipe on my eyebrow. Yeah, it's coming off if I put the makeup wipe on there. So they're not makeup wipe proof, so I thought it was kind of like it'll stay if you use a makeup wipe. But I'm gonna wash my face and come back and show you guys how it was affected by, I guess, the face wash or the water, because this feels like it's gonna go left real fast. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just washed my face and this is what I'm left with. Okay, so I zoomed in. As you can see, the front of this came off. The front of this came off. It's still stained, and I didn't even put face wash on it. I just washed around it. Maybe a little face wash, but as I'm rubbing it, it's a little bit coming off. So probably not gonna do a day 2 of this. My face looked really ashy because I just washed my face. Because it's not really staying on. So I guess this product is good for everyday use and it doesn't transfer. It's like sweat proof. So if you're like out, maybe go to a pool party and you get in the water, maybe your eyebrows will stay on. But it's not like it doesn't do the 2-day thing. It didn't do what I thought it was going to do. I look so ashy. What I thought I was going to do, please ignore the redness on my face. It's just coming off, so I'm probably just going to take a makeup wipe. Oh well, it was a good idea, but it doesn't do exactly what it says it does. But I'm still going to use it when I do my makeup because I love how my eyebrows came out and I love how they lasted, and it still looks pretty decent. So I can just leave them like this for the next couple of days. But I'm not doing a day 2. This is what it is. these are my brows, and this is what happened on day one. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this review. It's still a really good product. I'm still going to use it, but the only downside, it does not last for 2 days, especially if you have to wash your face. Maybe if you don't do a full face of makeup and do your eyebrows, just a simple eyebrow look for every day with mascara, and you don't have to really use makeup wipes, maybe it'll last 2 days. Maybe I'll try it that way next time, but I'm still going to use it because I really like the product. But yeah, it was a good idea, Maybelline. Good idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. And let me go put some moisturizer on. I'll ask you.